having pork loin ribeye chops for dinner tonight. First of all, I'm going to go over them with some buttery steakhouse rub. Then a little of the wood-fired garlic. I'll flip them over. Repeat the process. Then kind of mash it down a bit. I know it's going to float off when I put it in the marinade, and I got one last ingredient. So I'm going to put these in a big old Ziploc bag. Now, time for the final product. Squeeze out the air. These babies are going to hang out in the fridge for the rest of the afternoon until this evening when I get ready to cook supper. So we'll be back. Alright, so the skillet's nice and hot. Pork chops are going in. They've been soaking for several hours. I'm curious to see how they're going to turn out. Okay, so it's time to flip them over. Looky there, getting that nice golden brown. That's what I am looking for. Now, I'm fixing to hit these with some real butter. I'm going to let that melt around on these babies. And I am looking forward to a good juicy pork chop. Okay, so we've pulled the pork chops out of the skillet and we got them resting here. We will cut into them shortly. Alright, so let's cut into it and see how it looks. This looks very good. So I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Catch you later.